Okay, we kind of upped the ante because we found a little trick to this. I think we've got what, about 20 claymores laid down on top of that, and I've got, well, I laid down 8. You probably laid down what? How many? 18. So we're probably close to like maybe 35, 40 pieces of explosion ready to go off, and we're gonna launch these bodies like shit. Oh shit, my mic's dying. Alright, I'm gonna get running here in a second. I gotta position this iPad just right. Alright, I'm gone. Okay, follow.
Let me know when you get there.
I'm all set.
Alright. Run.
Dude, this is gonna be the fucking biggest explosion we've had so far.
Alright. I can just barely see one of the claymores, so it looks like I'm not gonna be shooting. So, you want me to detonate it?
I'll let you do the honors of detonating it.
Okay.
Hopefully they all go off.
No way.
Hold on. Alright. 3,
Ready?
2, 1. Blast off!